nowhere fast, folks. I think I need to wring my hole out a little bigger. Something. Grow some more muscles or something. Did I go anywhere? Did it move? Did I make any progress? Well, I decided to work a little smarter instead of a little harder. I'm going to take this tire off here. I just can't get a good oomph on that to get that in there. Yeah. Anywhere. Oh, maybe she's going. Very important that your air is at about 30 degrees. So, you know, if you need to put the air conditioner on it or whatever to get your air cold, you know, because you don't want to put hot air in your tire. Never put hot air in your tire. It may explode. Oh shit, I went way over the mag. Oh shit. Oh shit, we put too much air in it. We got too much air in it. Oh shit. I think I might have got some hot air in there and jumped way up on the PSI. See what I'm talking about? Get hot air in your tire. You don't want hot air in your tire. I know this is the funnest video you guys have seen probably all week. You know, nothing more exciting than watching somebody put a tire on. And make sure you always torque these things down to the recommended torque as tight. About like that tight right there. About that tight like that. About that tight. Just like that. Just like that. Don't want to go any tighter than that right there. No tighter than that. Rock on. And there we have it. One exciting tire plug repair video for your enjoyment.